This is my February illustration for my Patreon followers. We made it through the dark month of January, and now we can celebrate the slow return of the light. And this little bunny is sitting in the snow and waiting for spring to come. I didn't do much of a pre-sketch for this one, so most of this is freehand, although I am using a reference for the rabbit. I'm looking to get a nice contrast between the cool blues and the bright sunshine shining from the top of the page. I'm keeping this color scheme in mind as I draw in the rose bushes on either side of the rabbit. The branches to the right of the rabbit are mostly done in blues, and now on the left here I'm using oranges, reds, and browns to create a warmer glow of the sun shining through those branches. Now I'm adding rose hips to my rose bushes to make them a little bit messier and more realistic, a little less perfectly placed. I'm often scared to get too much saturation at the beginning of a watercolor painting, but when I got to this stage I realized I needed some stronger cool tones to give me more contrast. I did not feel like my bunny rabbit was sitting in a winter situation, so I felt like I had to change that. I got this new set of iridescent watercolors for my birthday, and they are the best thing ever. They are better than other brands I have tried and are far sparklier than any others I've used, so I'm a big fan, and I think they definitely added quite a bit to this cute little piece here that I'm working on. A lot of metallic watercolor brands are better as a top coat over top of your already laid down color, but these paints do really well on their own. They're far more opaque than other brands, and I'm a huge fan. Overall, I'm quite happy with how this little piece turned out, especially given that I didn't plan it out very much. Happy February!